Hello guys, today we're gonna explore the most interesting part of Tel Aviv, Yaffo. We started our trip with walking around small streets in the flea market area. Unfortunately, the market itself was closed because it was Saturday, but for sure we're gonna be back there soon, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you will not miss it. These small streets are full of boutiques of small Israeli designers and interesting restaurants with a wide variety of food. We chose one of them to have a late lunch. As you can see, it's a Middle East style cuisine. My hummus was pretty spicy, but in the end of the day it was decent as well as not extremely expensive. Time to do some sightseeing, but before that I will give you a good piece of advice. If you travel to Israel during the summertime, try not to walk around between 10 AM and 3 PM. It's extremely hot and deadly humid. We went out at 5 PM and still felt like in the sauna. Take a hat and drink a lot of water. An ancient legend says that anybody who enters the bridge, touches his zodiac sign and looks at the sea view will have his wish come true. We decided to give it a shot. And I'm a Virgo. Next week is my birthday, so I would like to receive some thumbs up below this video from you guys. And maybe $52 million as I wish myself at the bridge.
14 million.
No, this week is, I think, 10 million.
28. Please, add 50 million.
What do I wish?
What's the wish?
52 million.
Only?
Dollars.
Not pounds?
Pounds. Pounds are unstable.
Oh, fair enough. Yeah,
When do I win?
today.
Yaffo is the southern and the oldest part of Tel Aviv. It's famous for its association with the biblical stories of Jonah, Solomon and St. Peter, as well as the mythological story of Andromeda and Perseus, and of course for its oranges. I reckon everybody knows Jaffa cakes too. So Yaffo is thought to be the port from which Jonah left in the story of the whale. The port itself continued to be important through history and served as the main entry point to Israel until the late 19th century. As Tel Aviv developed, Yaffo decayed. By the 1940s, Tel Aviv was much more bigger than Yaffo, so the decision was made. Yaffo became a neighborhood of Tel Aviv to create the official title of the city, Tel Aviv Yaffo. The bad situation of Yaffo continued until municipality created a development organization to restore Yaffo. Nowadays, this is one of the most touristy places in Israel.
mira que donde voy y que sepa que donde estoy. Así que la cumbia, la cumbia, la cumbia, la cumbia, la cumbia, ya. ¿Cómo dice, señoras? Cumbia para mi pueblo, para mi gente, mira, cumbia para que la cara que hace. Cumbia, mira, para que la baile disfrute, mira mi cumbia que le hace. Cumbia, cumbia, mira que mira sabrosones a mi cumbia.
On the way to the sea, we popped into one gallery to take a look at the final projects of architecture students from Tel Aviv University. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments section down below what was your favorite part. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel, art and crafts related videos. Remember, you can also visit me on my social media, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!